Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, March 25th. What's going on news-wise today? Looking at forexfactory.com calendar, 8:30 this morning we had current account, which came in at minus 191 billion versus the expected of minus 211. So it's slightly better than expected. We also had import prices month over month, which came in at 1.3% greater than the expected 0.6%. Imagine that. Gasoline prices. Yeah, you guessed it. What else is going on? News wise, 10:30, we have crude oil inventories. And at 4:10, we have FOMC member Moran speaking. And 7:20 p.m. tonight, we have President Trump speaking. So I assume we'll get some sort of update on the Iran-Israel mess, quagmire, whatever you want to call, war. Yeah. So there you go. Moving on. Looking at charts. Looking at the daily chart here, I've actually taken off some of the old drawings and put on some new drawings. Short term, I would say we are down. Medium term, also down. Long term, here's the long term chart or trend line right there. So it's still a positively sloped line. Therefore, we are still positive. However, we're below the moving averages, all of the moving averages, including the 200-day moving average. Where could we go? I think we could retest this high from Monday, 67.50-ish, and the low from Monday, 64.80-ish. Volume has been okay, not particularly great, right around average. Really nothing to talk about there. Moving on. Looking at the inventory was actually negative yesterday, not by a lot, by some, and we had slightly down price action. Those are correlated, and that is a good thing. We want them to be correlated. Moving on, looking at overnight action, 50 points. I mean, I had to double check my math because they'll be the lowest this week and probably the lowest in the last couple of weeks. 50 points overnight. So average is 22 to 25, but I need to recalculate that average because it's definitely been going up over the last few weeks due to the situation in Iran. Where do we have support and resistance? So above price, we have resistance at 66.80, also at 67.04, 67.22, 67.42. Where do we have support below price? We've got some nice support here around the low, 66.34, 66.27, 66.20, 66.10-ish, 6600. We get below that, of course, it gets kind of ugly. So stock traders almanac for today, 57.1% chance the market will be up today. So we do have a positive bias from the stock traders almanac. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. Remember to subscribe and like. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.